Crossbarranch, it's an off-road park in Davis, Oklahoma.
Oh, is that a real duck? Yep, he's moving. Oh my God, it is so cute. Did you fill out all the appropriate paperwork?
I filled out all the appropriate paperwork. So here's the main camp. As you can see, we're the only one out here, which is perfectly fine with us. The well-camped and primitive camper. They do have bathrooms. It's not running water, I don't think, in there. I liked it. We were the only campers there. We were the only people, probably other than the owners, in the whole property. So, picked the hardest road right out of the gate.
Well, you didn't say you should go here. You just said go.
Go.
So I went.
Okay.
I really can't see. There's a few things I'm thinking I should straddle, but can't really tell. I like a little bit of directions. Am I okay?
How's the plow mount?
Ah! I don't like tilting. I don't like tilting it.
Straight, don't go quick. Straight, stop.
Oh, did you say don't go quick? I thought you said go quick. Hill. Who stops on a hill?
Well, I would not recommend it, but I need the video.
Sometimes it's good I can't see over the dash. I just go.
We're lost. Downhill. So our objective is not to get that muddy, because these are deep. I don't want to work that hard to get out. Oh, there's some worse ones. It's low, so I don't have to wash it. You're plowing in this way. found this cool lake.
This is a Colorado lake. This is an Oklahoma pond.
We found this creek at Crossbarranch. These trails are kind of cool.
They're really cool.
They're definitely Oklahoma four-wheeling trails. Lots of mud. Lots and lots
which
of
would
mud.
be great in the summer.
Yeah.
Today it's about 60, which is lovely. You don't really want to go bogging in the 60.
But we can take a shower afterwards.
True.
Look at the windshield.
Our windshield a little dirty, but listen to the bird.
Crossbar Off-Road Ranch in Davis, Oklahoma. I don't know how big it is. I'll have to look it up and see how big it is. But they have camping, tons of camping spots. The trails are cool. It's a private off-road park.
20 bucks a day?
20 bucks a day per person. Camping was $30 for overnight. And that gave us electric and water. So I like it. I like it a lot.
Funny thing is, the trail, there are tracks of the trail that go literally into this pond, but when you GPS it, it looks like it's usually dried up. So they have had a lot of rain here lately. So
yeah, when you look at the satellite imagery, it shows that it's dry, but not this time of year. We're not driving in.
not happening.
If you know Dale, if you need to know one thing about me, I love fudge sickles. Love them.
How you doing? That's his fourth one today.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
But I was a little disappointed because couldn't find Blue Bunny fudge sickles at the grocery store.
Time.
Serious question. How are you going to get across this if you're not in the razor?
Okay, make sure this is videotaping you.
All right, well, I'm going to make sure it's videotaping you going over the water first. Tree limb. There's a tree limb. If you fall in, don't worry, it's good for videos. Is that a snake? Oh my God. How deep do we think this is? That's deep.
he gonna win a race?
It's what mistletoe looks like in the wild. Pretty cool.
A little riding, got a little muddy, had a little fun.
I liked it a lot.
So stay tuned for Beaver's Bend. We are on our way to see the eclipse. So not the ideal situation, but when you have someone that has a conference call, here's what you do in the Walmart parking lot. Starlink on top of the roof, slides out, middle of probably the smallest Walmart that I've ever seen, Atoka, Oklahoma.
I need to what? Boo, boo, boo. Goes, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo.
I did. There's a bed in there. There's a bed.